seem to change the way around here, but it would be a disaster for everybody else involved.
Okay, right. You know what? Hey, I gotta get back to it. So it's nice to see you.
Nice to see you too. And let's do lunch sometime, or maybe a lesson starring Neil.
Patrick Harris.
I see. Back to formalities. Good.
Wait, I could never. What is this classic?
Hamlet.
Hamlet? Oh no, this crowd is not.
I was born to play this part. I died to play this part. Alas, for Yorick, I knew him well.
Hi, I'm Yorick.
I'm impressed. No notes.
Excellent. Let's do lunch and talk it over, shall we? There's a diner down the street that has a menu to knock your tailbone off.
Well, the man's not here yet. I guess I could eat. To be LT or not to be LT? That is the question.
Crowds are here at the sold-out Electric Mayhem concert, but who's not here? The Electric Mayhem. Sir, your thoughts? Well, there you have it. The band is late and tempers are beginning to boil over.
Why do you have to say that?
Sorry about that. I'll have a cup of this.
The Electric Mayhem still aren't here for their sold-out concert, and people are looking everywhere for them. And I mean everywhere.
The Electric Mayhem behind you?
What? No, they're not behind me.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Let me just see.
Okay. See?
Oh yeah, I see.
Happy now?
Well, no, because I didn't find them.
See what I mean?
Oh, there's no sign of the band. No one seems to. Whoa, hey, let me come back. Hey, are you lost? Oh, hi, little sweetie. That's got you. Who brings a dog to a concert? Oh, there's my little angel. Oh, of course, Miss Piggy. This little darling belongs to you. Yes, she does, don't you, dear? Yes. But I also like to think she is a gift to the world. Yeah, that's some gift. Oh, do you hear that, Fufu? You see, Beth appreciates you. Unlike those mean people in the VIP room. All because of one unsanitary thing you did to the see-through towel. I'm sure I don't want to hear anything else about that.
It was expensive.
Oh, well, I can certainly understand why you want this little darling with you everywhere you go. Oh, she loves me so much. Just wish I could bundle her up and take her with me. Yes, yes. You two have a wonderful evening. I'm just gonna head back to the VIP room. Check in on that seafood tower. Bye-bye. Have you got the food?
Here we go. She's due for a long walk, and don't give her too many of those cookies. Makes her a little burp.
Oh, same girl.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's my Uncle Kermit's.
Oh, hello, Robin. Kermit, let me have this ticket because he's dealing with an issue backstage.
What kind of issue?
There's something with the band.
What's going on with the
They're
band?
not here.
Where are they?
Not sure.
Are they swimming?
Doubt.
Are they eating?
Possibly.
Do you know you shouldn't eat before swimming?
Naturally.
Do you know why?
No.
Is it because your stomach explodes?
Likely.
What if you ate dynamite?
Likely.
Would the water from the swimming put out the dynamite you ate?
If you swallow the water.
Is it safe to swallow?
Everyone, don't worry about following a single file line. All of one paper, whatever.
Rock and roll!
Electric Mayhem, we should really be heading to your concert. We're already very late.
Whoa, look at all the looky-loos.
Oh, hey, the VIP tour. Welcome, everyone.
Big Bob.
Wait, you have been at the studio this whole time?
Indeed, we've been rehearsing for the big show.
We're at the big show, and you were due on stage hours ago.
Hey, Scooter, why didn't you tell us we were late?
But Chef?
Is Bernie Gertie rocking your room? Bernie rocking your room.
Well, that was kind of a half-baked gag.
I don't know how much longer this crowd's gonna wait.
Don't worry, Kermit. The mayhem will be there.
Good.
Though I have no idea how. Dr. Honeydew?
Oh, excuse us. Beaker and I were just testing the latest innovation from Muppet Labs, the lengthy immediate motion object.
A limo.
It's pronounced L.I.M.O.
Hey, how fast can I get the band here?
Factoring in the current traffic conditions.
You got a minute and a half. Okay, you should get going.
But what about all the band?
I would get about a band.
All right, how about backstage passes for everyone? You, get moving.
Come on, gang. We got places to be and people to rock.
Please head through the alley and the grass on the left.
All right, VIPs, head to the back alley to load up. Enjoy the show. See you later.
I didn't see that one.
Fans all day, filling it all out of mail.
Oh my god.
Let's go muck it up. Let's go muck it up.
Hasta que se cierre con un clic, mantenga la cabeza reposada y permanezca sentado con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la cocina. Coloque sus artículos personales en el piso y asegúrese de vigilar a los niños. Gracias.
Well, Mickey, here goes nothing.
All right, VIPs, we'll have you in that concert in no time. Well, time is relative. Anyway, let's tune into the concert.
It's about that time that slipped by your mind. Hang out, hang on. because we're about to get wild.
I think these folks are stuck. Now they know how we feel. This concert reminds me of a roller coaster. How's that? It's all downhill.